Hi, I'm Sudanjo. Welcome back SM Info. Today I'm going to discuss with you how to create this solid model easily in Solidworks, and also you can learn two features in Solidworks. One is extrude pass base and another one is extrude cut, because every solid models or part modelings are depend on these two features. So this video or upcoming videos are definitely helps to you to improve your design knowledge and skills. So don't skip my video, keep touch with me. Let's go to the video. So this is Solidworks interface. We have to draw that diagram in this interface. So first you gonna pick front plane and go through sketch and select the line and draw a structure like this. Next, assign the dimension as per the diagram. This length is 12 and this length is 70 and this length is 20 and this length is also 20. And this height is 5. Okay, now you can now we assign all the dimension. So click this tick mark and upload your diagram. Then go to the future and extrude boss base, select your diagram. And if you change the direction of your diagram, you just click this button. The diagram will change. You have to put the extrude value in this column. The extrude value is 30. It's clearly shown in the diagram. And next select this face, sketch, Control 8. First draw a constraint line, it's a reference line. The line length is 30. Next select line and draw. Okay, now you select the circle and draw a two circle. I'm sorry, this circle is not in the center, so I'm gonna delete this. Okay, now you choose the circle, draw a two circle. Assign the dimension. This circle diameter of third circle is 16,616 and this circle is 30. Now choose trim icon and select power trim. You have to trim this two portion and tick. Next you delete this line. We don't need this line, so delete it. It's completely check it, the diagram is not completely constrained, so close this. Now the diagram is completely constrained. Okay, then go to futures and select extrude boss base, change the direction and put the value of extrude 15 15 15. Okay, click the green tick, and next we select this face and sketch, Control 8, choose the reference line. Reference line is nothing but it's just a center line, and select a circle and draw the value. The circle value is 24 diameter, and upload it. Go to future, select extrude cut and select the icon. We have to extrude like this, and next we have to draw a ribbon. Okay, now we can select mid plane because the ribbons start at the midpoint of the circle. So how to choose mid plane means it is very easy to pick in this diagram. Just update your diagram and go through future and select reference geometry and select plane option. Click this face and enter 15 mm and choose flip upside. Why I am enter 15 mm means the total extrude value is 13 mm. So I put 15 mm. The plane will automatically placed center of the circle. And update your diagram. Just click the green tick mark and Control 8. Go through sketch, select line, draw a line like this, and assign the dimension as per the diagram is required, 25 mm, and update it. Go through future, select rib, choose your diagram. Now choose your diagram. The rib is formed outward of the part modeling. So in our diagram the rib is formed inward. In this case you choose flip material side. Flip this option. Choose this option. Flip material side. Now enter the value of 10 mm because the rib thickness is 10 and update it. The rib is formed. Don't like this color, just go through edit appearance and choose what color you want or what color you need. Hope all are enjoying this video, and if you have any doubt in this video session, please leave your comment in comment box. I will read and replay you and also give me some support and love. Bye.